Most of the importing and exporting should be handled through an app that we added called Excelify. So we'll get into that here a little bit. This is what we use to begin the migration over from Magento to Shopify. And after it loads up, you can see there's an export section and down below an import section. And Excelify is an app that does have some really good videos. So as you run into an issue, they typically have a video for it, and they also have some good written documentation. But you can export the collections here with a checkbox or uncheck it. You'll see time estimates, so I'll call it out here. So you'll see this export will take about a minute, 7 seconds, and then if you want to do products, this export will take 13 minutes. And with the email that you're logged in with, it will email you when the export or import is complete so that you can review it. And then as you check different things, like if you add meta fields, it adds a few minutes. You can just export simply what you need and then adjust the data. Obviously, the ID would need to stay the same. If you were adding a new product, you would have a blank ID field. And all of that data is here, really, that you can go ahead and adjust and import back in. Only really import what you need, and all of the fields that you can really imagine are in here. Anything that needs to be adjusted can be done through the spreadsheet. And then when it comes time to import, you'll want to import a CSV file, and you can just drag it over here or click and select a file from your computer, and then it'll also give you the time estimate and email you when it's done. When an import is done, you can do a dry run here. So if you check this and import, you'll be able to see what kind of errors you'll have, things like that beforehand, and then you can always download the results from an export or an import. You can download the results to see if it was successful or not. And that's all for importing and exporting.